it really sucks when you're connected to Wi-Fi, but you cannot get access to internet. And if you're facing this problem, let me fix you this one. Firstly, let's go to command and run it as administrator. And here, let's flush the DNS. And to flush the DNS, ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter. And after that, type netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. And restart your computer, and this should help to solve their issue. But if it is not being able to solve this problem, let's go to settings and go to network and internet, advanced network settings, click on more network and go to your Wi-Fi network and go to properties and select internet protocol version 4. Go to properties and change the DNS server from here. And after that, click on OK and restart, and this should help to solve your problem. These are some of the tricks for Wi-Fi connected but not being able to access to internet in Windows 11.